There are three types of nuclear decay. They are alpha, beta, and gamma decay. And alpha, beta, and gamma are the first three letters of the Greek alphabet, and we're just going to compare them all here in a chart. So alpha decay happens when you have some sort of large nucleus that decays. So for example, uranium is a very large nucleus, and when it decays, it usually goes through alpha decay. And in alpha decay, it is basically a helium nucleus that comes off of the bigger nucleus. And this helium is large and slow comparative to the other types of nuclear decay. And it will not penetrate your skin. So it's, I guess, the safest. So we're going to call it the least penetrating. Beta decay is when a smaller nucleus decays. So for instance, carbon-14 decays naturally, but carbon is kind of a smaller atom. And so it's when a smaller nucleus decays. And it is a high-speed electron. And you might say to yourself, well, that's kind of weird because in the nucleus, there are no electrons. So how does a high-speed electron come off of the nucleus? And it's kind of a weird phenomenon in which a neutron turns into a proton and an electron flies off. But you don't really need to worry about that. Just know that beta decay is a high-speed electron. It is very small because it's the size of an electron, and it is fast. It is 100 times more penetrating than an alpha particle. So last but not least, we have gamma decay. Now, gamma decay usually accompanies the other two types of nuclear decay. So it usually happens like right after. You have alpha decay and then you have gamma decay, or you have beta decay and then you have gamma decay. So this accompanies the other nuclear decay. And it is not a particle at all. It is pure energy that comes off of the nucleus. Because it is not a particle, it has no mass, and it's fast. Now, a gamma particle or a gamma ray, I guess not really a particle, is the most damaging of all of the types of decay. It penetrates your skin, it can cause cancer, and so it is most penetrating, most dangerous. It can cause skin cancer. Or other kinds of cancer for that matter, because it can penetrate right through.